Okay, the next part of this exercise is choose the best answer. This on page number 40. The child was traveling with her mother, grandmother, and a porter. Option B. When Sarah offered to help, the group around the child quickly stood aside because they wanted they were surprised at her bold offer. Wanted to look at her properly. They wanted to give her room to treat the child. Option C. Sarah advised that the child be taken to a doctor if the nail turned black, which is option A. Sarah treated the injured hand by bandaging it with a handkerchief, by relieving the pressure under the nail, by bathing it and then covering it, by bathing and then covering it. Option A. Sarah learned to treat such injuries from watching an experienced nurse, from observing her father, from listening to a professor in medicine, from observing her father, because she has seen her father doing or treating injuries like this in his hospital. So she got that method to treat from him. After this, we have question answers which you have to do in your English literature notebook. So the very first one is, what happened to the child? How did she react? Now, the child had trapped its hand when the carriage door swung to and was screaming with pain and fright. This is the answer of question number 1. Why did Sarah hesitate before she offered help? Sarah hesitated before she offered help because she was shy. Why did Sarah think that no bones in the hand were broken? How did she suggest the hand should be treated? Because she found that the skin is dented and bruised, but the fingers are moving freely, so that's why she thought that no bone is broken. Why did Sarah qualify her statement that she was a medical student? What made her do it? So the answer to this one is no. When they said him that how lucky we were to find a nurse on the spot, then Sarah introduced herself that because she found that uncomfortable sort of honesty which gave her a prod in the ribs whenever she felt like a boasting. And then she added that I am a medical student, this is my first day, and my father is a doctor and I have seen him treat injuries like this. The next one we have, explain clearly why the child's grandmother thought that Sarah would make a good doctor. Now, she thought because the answer is here. The granny nodded and smiled. You have good hands, my dear, and you can keep your head. You will make a doctor. So this is the answer to that one. What impressions do you get of the character of Sarah from the passage? We do get the expressions like she is very helpful, and she is very helpful. She is passionate in his job while being a doctor, and so that's why she keeps on doing these things. So these all are the good impressions of Sarah that we get from this whole chapter. So now, class, what you have to do, just make a title page of this chapter first, which is a kind deed. Make a title page of this chapter in your in English literature notebooks, and after making a title page, write down 10 dictation words as your dictation in your English literature notebook. After that, do write these question answers in your English literature notebook as your homework. So this is all about today. If you have still any question, you may ask from me. I will let you know the possible answer. This is all about today. Thank you.